Hello everyone, this is Brad from Happy Hour Hero. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about our tab cartridges that are located in the adjustable side piece of the Happy Hour Hero. As you can see, these cartridges slide in and out on either side of the adjustable side piece depending on which arm you're going to be using it on, the left or the right. The cartridge itself has a button on the side or a tab on the side that you can pull back, releasing the spring, the tube there, but it will stay engaged unless you slide it all the way back until you hear it click and lock open. Hear that click? Now it's open, and when both of the tabs are in this open position, you can freely slide that side piece in and out. But once you want to lock in place, you need to make sure it's pushed out or engaged so that it will actually lock into place. Now, it's important that these fit firmly, so every once in a while, you may not be able to get that thing to lock out using just your finger. It may hurt, it might be a little bit of pressure. Obviously with manufacturing, the tolerances, some might be a little bit harder to do than the others. What I found works really well is just a simple plastic pen, and you can kind of get a little more leverage by pushing on it with a plastic pen. I suggest the plastic pen because it's not going to leave a mark on the Happy Hour Hero. If you use something metal, it may have a tendency to leave a mark when you're using it to push off and on. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in here, and then we'll show you how it inserts into the side piece here. I'm going to go ahead and take off our mesh pocket here because it's going to go ahead and sit a lot nicer for me here. But as you can tell, I'm going to disengage or open up the end piece, and I'm going to do the same thing on the side piece. Go ahead and disengage that. Now when I put it in here, it'll slide freely. Once I engage them, just by simply pushing on them, like so, now they lock into place. And then when I want to do it freely, when I want to move them, all I got to do is pop it out, and then it'll move best. And it's going to move better if you apply pressure at both the front and the back. If you try to just push the front or the back in, it's going to get tilted and it's going to be harder to move. So if you press in or out, it's going to be better to do it on both ends. Or if you're applying it to the side of your unit, I suggest using your hand and your thumb and your forefingers like this and pushing it straight in like that. Okay? So when it's in here and it's locked in place, again, sometimes it might be hard to get in there. That's where the pen would come in handy, and you'd be able to just push on it and be able to use it with a little bit more leverage. I hope using this simple little trick will help making your Happy Hour Hero use a lot easier and a lot smoother. Thank you, and hope to see you at another video.